All right, Lakita, hopefully people going to the beach or somewhere cool on the 4th of July this weekend, because that hot weather, it is going to be with us here in Memphis for a little bit. In fact, that excessive heat warning, it's going to be in effect for today and for tomorrow. So it's going to be a while before we see any relief. Again, that heat warning does include us here in Memphis and much of the Mid-South, including the entire state of Mississippi, much of Arkansas, down into Louisiana. So it's not just us, much of the Mid-South feeling this extreme heat wave. This morning, it's not a bad start to the day. We don't have any rain out there, but it is very warm and it is extremely humid as you're walking out the door. That humidity is really going to hit you in the face as soon as you walk outside. Right now, it's 5:08. It is 81 in Memphis, 80 in Covington and Blytheville, 79 in Olive Branch, Oxford, and Dyersburg. I wanted to show you our dew point number. This is the number we use to tell you how muggy it is. We put the muggy meter over here for you. Generally, when this number is below 60, it's really comfortable outside. Anything over 70 starts to feel humid. When it's over 75, it's just downright miserable. And you're going to know exactly what I mean when you walk out the door. That humidity is really something today. And we do expect high temperatures once again to be right around 100 degrees. Another day of dangerous heat. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. I don't expect much of any rain today at all. Somebody might get lucky with a sprinkle to cool you down, but most of us are not going to see any rain. High temperatures in eastern Arkansas today near 100, 100 at Osceola, Blytheville, and in West Helena. Down in North Mississippi, it's going to be 101 in Tunica and Clarksdale, 99 South Haven and Senatobia. Western Tennessee also going to top out right around 100 today, 100 in Alamo, Brownsville, Dyersburg, Ripley, and in Memphis. Check out your heat index through the day. Once again, that heat index going to be over 110, likely closer to 115 at times. So just stay inside if you can. That's your best bet. But if you have to be out, stay hydrated, take breaks in the AC. Remember to wear light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. That helps to keep you cool. Check on your friends and neighbors, especially if they're elderly. Maybe they can't get around as well. If they need a place to go stay cool, help them out with that. Of course, check your back seat for those kids. And don't forget your pets, because if you're hot, they are just as hot. We're going to be hot again tomorrow, 99 your high temperature. Maybe a couple of more spotty storms this weekend. I still think most of the weekend will be dry, but there could be a couple of storms on the radar here or there. Same story for Monday. And then going into the middle of the week, really from the 4th of July into Wednesday and Thursday, we could see a couple of more of those afternoon pop-up thunderstorms. It's not going to rain all day, every day, but there will be some storms on the radar next week. The good news is that helps to keep us cooler. Still going to be warm, but not nearly as hot. High temperatures in the low 90s next week.